Journey into Sin's workshop. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So, we're gonna be unboxing my OwlCrate today. This is the OwlCrate young adult subscription box. So, take a look. Ooh. I do love the packaging. Once again, they don't give me a spoiler card anymore. So all the artist links will be in the description once I scan this QR code. But first things first, let's look at these. This is the Book of Life book lamp. Ooh. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my goodness. So how does my friend Jeff has one of these and it's the cutest thing in the world. It's magnetic. I think it says it's magnetic. Okay. I got the cord. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Fully open the lid. This is the cutest thing in the world. Inspired by A Discovery of Witches. It has 3 shades. How do I get the 3 shades? Allow. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Okay. Sorry. I was reading the instructions. Let's see. So. Different shade. Oh, I like that a lot. Okay. Alright. Let's stop playing with it for a moment. Here you go. You can look at that. Isn't that just the cutest stinking thing in the world? I like it. I like it a lot. I'm keeping this. This is mine. I'll find a use for it. In any case, that is my Book of Life, inspired by Discovery of Witches by Lynch and the Limestones. No wonder I love it so much. Alright, next up we've got the Shepherd King series. Rose Gold Medal Keychain, inspired by the Providence card, the White Eagle from the Shepherd King series. Designed by Say Your Art. Not familiar. Be wary, be good, be clever. This is the packaging. You gotta give it up for. Ooh. OwlCrate. They do invest in their. I'm keeping this. They do invest in their packaging. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. It's so reflective. It's gorgeous. I love it. Keeping. And once again, that's the packaging. They do a great job on their packaging. Alright, this is the Enchanted Elixirs Collection May. Ooh, Magic Steeped in Poison by Judy Lynn. This is the pin made by Layla Ashtar Shrine. The world began with a dream. That's the quote there. See if you guys can see. Gorgeous. Well, let's see. Can you guys see? Can you guys see all that detailing? Let's see. It's okay. I do close-up photos on my Instagram, so this is what I think it is. It's a tote! Sorry, you guys had no idea. So, every year, because they do their monthly pins, usually they'll start off the year with a tote bag. And then you know what I do? Every single pin I get for the year, I put it on the bag. They haven't yet to give me a bag. This is the bag! And soon this bag will be covered in the monthly pins. And I will use this. It does make the bags a little heavy, I will say, but worth it. Alright. Let's see if the tag. Belladonna tote bag designed with love by 10113 _ Again, links will be in the description. Yes, I own Belladonna. No, I haven't read it. So here's the front. Here is the back. Finally a tote. Oh, I'm probably never going to use this. Throne of Glass inspired charcuterie board. You know, I might just give this to my friend Gina. She loves Sarajemas. I mean, I'm almost certainly never going to use it. I also haven't read Throne of Glass, so it's an investment, okay? My cat Flower, her sister died the other day, so she's been meowing a lot. Heart attack. They're old. They're like 14. But you can tell she misses her. In case you're wondering what all the meowing is, it's my flower power. Alright, now it's time for the book. Salvacíon! I'm so excited for this. My Mexican heart is happy. Okay. So, oh my god. So first, this is like a gender bent Zorro with fantasy, and I am so here for it. First of all, this is the second copy I own because the publisher was kind enough to send me a press package for it, final proof and everything, and it's, I mean, I was just like, oh. So this is the second copy I own, and oh my goodness, look at that. Look at those first of all, let's look at this cover. Now let's look at this. Ooh. Look at those edges. They're so gorgeous. God, so pretty. I just think of Antonio Banderas. Not as Zorro, but in Desperado. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, amor. Can't remember the rest of it. So, it's been a while since I've seen the movie. It's not exactly a movie you can watch in front of a 5-year-old and a 3-year-old. But I don't really get a whole lot of adult TV time anymore. What does it say? Debajo de un árbol grande, there upon the grass, where dicen que las flores crecen on the graveyard grass, debajo de un árbol grande en el verano gris, el zorro llora a la noche, where you fell on your knees, debajo de un árbol grande, which still remembers you, mi amor que tanto quise, remains forever true. Quise remains forever true. Ooh. Gorgeous. My Spanish isn't that great. It used to be better, but I grew up watching telenovelas. My mom didn't actually practice Spanish with me. Although sometimes when I do talk Spanish, everyone's like, wow, you do sound Mexican. And I'm like, gracias, thank you. I should. Por un beso was one of my favorites. I couldn't stand the theme song of Victorinos. Agujetas de color de rosa, that's another one I really liked. Now you know a little bit about me. Agujetas de color de rosa, un sombrero grande feo. Alright. La Pola, that was a really good one. Doña Bárbara. That's another really good one. La otra. Ooh. Sorry, I'm trying to, as I'm looking for like the extra content to see if there's any. I'm just listing off telenovelas. I haven't watched like a good telenovela in quite some time. I used to watch them all the time because that was, my mom didn't actually talk Spanish to me as a child, so. She likes to tell people I didn't like to learn Spanish or I didn't want to learn Spanish, which always gets me mad because that's not true, but it's okay, it's whatever. Ooh, now I feel like watching Zorro. Just think of it, Catherine Zeta-Jones as Zorro instead. Oh! I mean, I get to have her as Morticia Addams, so that's okay. Think of it. Have you guys ever seen the movie Bandidas? With Penelope Cruz and Salma Hayek? Watch that movie. It's hilarious and awesome. Either of those two ladies could be a female Zorro. I love it. I love it. As I said, my Mexican heart is happy. I'm really excited for this book, honestly. So, thank you all for tuning in to this unboxing of my OwlCrate book box, my young adult OwlCrate subscription box, and for listening to me ramble about good telenovelas. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with our book loving friends. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, and as always, happy reading.